I couldn't believe it. That was like such a life goal. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get it. My name is Kyle Anthony Walker, and I live in Long Beach, California. I grew up in Moore, Oklahoma, about 15 minutes south of OKC. It's a little suburb town, you know. And I played baseball for 6 years. In between tournament games, I would go to the skate park and come back to the next game. And I remember the parents on the team would dog on my parents, be like, why are you letting him go and skate? He could get hurt and ruin the game for everybody. But I think it was cool that they were like, let him be and do what he wants. Super thankful for that. My dad runs a heat and air business. He'd be like, all right, you want to make $100? Go work with me all day. I just learned tough, hard work. Being in the attics, on the roofs of buildings, I was super small, so I would be the one going under the houses with all the cobwebs and everything. And then I'm like, Mom, I got to go to California. Just trust me with it. I got to go out there and hopefully it works out. She's like, all right, you want to go out there, go do it. And I was 16, no car, barely any money. Seemed surreal for the longest time, you know. It's just like, let's just skate, 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 skate. I was just young, out of Oklahoma, like endless options out here. Ever since then, I just been posted in the OBC. I feel like it definitely has more of like a community vibe. And I think me coming from the smallest place ever, I'd probably find a little more comfort in that, you know. I write my goals down all the time. If I really want something, I'll write it down. 2015, wrote down 9 things I did not think would happen. Somehow everything got checked off. The car I wanted, save this much money, do this for my mom. By the end of the year, checked it all off. And then I just been doing that. Maybe I should do that with tricks. Some of the scarier tricks you try, I swear the ones you just black out. I don't know how or why. You're there at the spot everybody's set up, and then you're just like, all right, well, kinda gotta try it now. If you can get your mind and fear over the first try, then it can work out. If I want it bad enough, I'll just try and go till your body can't. Time doesn't last forever. When you're in sunny California, you can't just sit inside and be lazy all day, you know? I'd rather just be out getting it.